Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I'm Lisa Marie and you've just tuned into Bank Life. Now, if this is your first time tuning into the channel, hey, go ahead and hit like, go ahead and subscribe, go ahead and leave a comment. All right, we're going to get right into the video. Hope you like the video. Sorry, if this is the first time tuning in, hey, welcome to the channel. Make sure you subscribe. Okay, shout out to my subscribers.
This hurts my heart to deliver this news. It is now illegal to go through your husband's phone. And this is for every ear that can hear me. This is not just a Texas issue. This is also a federal crime. The Federal Wiretap Act states
Wait a minute. Did she just say it's a crime to go through your husband's phone? This is a federal crime?
it's unlawful to intercept any wire, oral, or electronic communication. It is also unlawful to disclose the contents of the wire, oral, or electronic communication. Y'all know what's...
Wait. And it's well, I'm gonna be that's a whole lot of us gonna be. I'm gonna be in trouble. You mean I can't disclose what I see through an electronic device on my husband's phone?
considered electronic communication? Text messages, emails, DMs. I was in court waiting on my turn, watching another hearing before me. It was a divorce case and the wife was on the stand talking about adultery. Her attorney then started the process of admitting text messages into evidence that showed the husband was talking to this woman and it was very inappropriate. The text messages 100% proved husband was cheating. There was photos, there was conversations about the other night. All of a sudden, husband lawyer jumps up and says, Your Honor, I think you need to admonish the witness about her Fifth Amendment right to self-incrimination because she's about to tell on herself and admit to a crime. The judge then proceeds to tell her that how she came about getting those text messages out of her husband's phone is potentially a violation of the Texas Wiretap Act and the Federal Wiretap Act. He looks up at her lawyer and says, Counsel, the fact that you're in possession of unlawful potential wiretap material incriminates you as well. And the judge did a quick recess so everyone could go consult with criminal law attorneys.
Wow. So she was able to, so she got the information out of the phone to bring the information to her attorney. And so what? Listen, I don't need it out of the phone because once I find out me personally, that my husband's been cheating and there's photos in his phone, I don't need the attorney to speak for me. I could speak for myself. I already know what I'm doing. Now, because it's up to me to make a decision. Now, if I find photos in the phone, if I find text messages, so I'm going through his phone and I'm finding messages and between him and other women, and he's just inappropriate conversations and photos, and I could tell that he stepped out, and I'ma handle that. I don't need that's adultery. You know what I mean? Once he have sex outside the marriage, it is adultery. I don't need no help with no judge, to be honest. All right? Because first I'm going to God first, right? And then after that, I'll know how to proceed. I don't even have to bring no wire. And once I see it for myself, I don't need the judge to see it. I don't need my attorney to see it. I will proceed on the best way, you know. Again, I'm going to pray first because, you know, you can't be saying something if he then go on my phone and find something, you know. First, got to make sure your phone is clean too. But yeah, I understand that you cannot take things out of his phone and transfer, because the only problem I have with going through, I believe, would be going through my husband's phone is because not only does it obtain his secrets, but it obtains the secret of his friends. And that's something that I've learned recently. So when you go through a phone, it's not only you're going through your husband's secrets, but he might have friends that have secrets and things that they're doing. And it might not be your husband that's doing something. It might be his friend. So it might not be your fiance doing something, but their fiance's friend who's doing something, and now you hold all their secrets as well. And so that's why I believe it's not good to always go through, well, you shouldn't be going through someone else's phone. right? Because if I already think you cheating, so there's already, the trust is already broken, because I already feel that you're cheating. And so the trust somewhere is broken down the line. Now, I might have good reason to believe it, but if I see photos and I happen to go to your phone and you say, hey, go pick up my phone because your phone is ringing, all I need to do is see it.
Your husband's phone. And this is for every ear that can hear me. This is not just a Texas issue. This is also a federal crime. The Federal Wiretap Act states it is unlawful to intercept any wire, oral, or electronic communication. It is also unlawful to disclose the contents of the wire, oral, or electronic communication.
So intercept, I might happen to intercept it, but to disclose, so whatever I see, so I'd be like, Your Honor, I'm guilty. I done told my best friend, I told my sister, because that means you can't talk about it, you can't disclose it. Now, some of us gonna have problems. We say, listen, I didn't show it to them. I didn't take it out of his phone, but I'm just closing some stuff. That's gonna, yeah. So that's kind of, I don't know.
Considered electronic communication, text messages, emails, DMs. I was in court waiting on my turn, watching another hearing before me. It was a divorce case, and the wife was on the stand talking about adultery.
Wow. So attorney jumps up. We already know. Heard this. I let it repeat. Attorney jumps. Wow, that's different. That's wow. Let me know what you think about this particular video, because I think that's crazy. If you're married, you're supposed to be faithful. So I shouldn't be finding all these photos. Come on. I shouldn't be finding all these DMs. I shouldn't be finding all these text messages. A lot of us say you're going to cheat, at least cheat, right? Why am I finding? No, but you shouldn't be out there cheating. If there's a problem in the relationship, we should be mature enough to sit down and let's talk about it. So you really got to know who you're married to. Let's sit down. Let's talk about, let's try to work this out. Let's see if we can work this out. But if the phone rings and I pick up and you get caught that way, hey, I happen to pick up. He told me to go get the phone. Hey, go find the number in my phone. You go on the phone and you find pictures of women and pictures of, and messages and so forth, and you happen to come upon it. No, I'm going to address it. Your Honor, I don't need to show you pictures. He told me go get the phone. I see that he's cheating. Let's get this case going, if that's where I want to go with it. Now, of course, you don't want to just throw away your marriages and so forth. Oh, he cheated, or he was talking to, you want to try to work everything out, pray about it, But I might not have to bring in pictures. I just know that he cheated. Sometimes that's all I need. I know that he cheated. I know that he was unfaithful. And from there, I'll take it from there. Pray on it. Do we need to go back to counseling? Is there things that need to be worked out? And work it out. But it's good to know that these things, because so many times, people say, hey, look, I got the proof. And how do you got the proof? Well, I got to show you a picture. I got to show you a DM. I got to show you a text message, because I could tell you, I think so-and-so is cheating. But when you see that text message, you're like, oh, wow, they are cheating. Well, I didn't know she was talking to him. What? So it's good to know, though, because none of us, but when you're married, I hope somebody come and bail me out. Once I'm married, it might be a different situation. You might have to come and bail me out. I'll be like, no, I need my proof. All right, well, I'm Lisa Marie. Go ahead and leave a message. Go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.